Let's talk about the first uses of the was and were to get more score in the quiz. Was. Was is the singular past tense to be. Was is used with the singular subject and pronouns he, she, it and with the first person. Were. Were is the plural past tense to be. Were is used with the plural subject and with the pronouns we and they. Where blank you last night? Were. It blank earthquake in 2002. It was. The book blank on the table. The book was. The children blank crying. Were. Blank the lesson very difficult. Was. Lucy blank cooking the food last night. Was. Don't forget we blank a family. Were. Blank the hungry. Were. I wanted to become a pilot when I blank younger. Was. What blank you looking for in my bag last day? Were. This blank going for a long time. Was. If I blank rich, I would travel around the world. Were. What you think, guys? Why I choose here were instead of was?